Hello, Paul from Headlinings. Here we have the Jaguar X150 headlining, as we call it. That's the XK, which ran from 2006 through to about 2013, and sometimes XKR, so it's 2006 through to 13. Now, these are three of the variations they fitted them with, which is brushed nylon cloth in champagne, woven nylon cloth in champagne, and faux suede. These were all options. The woven cloth didn't come into about 2008, and the brushed nylon ran from 2006, but the faux suede seems to be throughout the production run, and is the most expensive variant, unfortunately. But these are a direct fit substitution for the original board, can be fitted through the passenger door aperture quite easily, and we can advise you on fitting if you call us. But these, as I said, Jaguar X150, brushed nylon champagne, woven champagne, and faux suede. The faux suede is distinctive because if you brush it with your hand, you can see the colour changes in as you brush it in different directions. But that's Jaguar X150 headlining board.